Hi everybody, just going to show you what our new journal assignments look like. This is the replacement of the Google Journal that we have been using for the last several semesters. And I think you'll really enjoy this, and I'm going to show you some of its features and how the students will do it. Then I'll turn around and show you how we will look at it when we're grading. So if you go, I'm in the student view right now, so this is how students will experience the course. I'm just going to go to week 3 to that module, go into the study and report assignment for that day. This is the week we do the meaningful mind map or wandering map. They'll have the announcement here. We've simplified the menu quite a bit for before class, what they should have done to prepare after class, completing of the journal, and what to prepare for next week. This just acts as an announcement. Then the journal is directly right here. So this is a annotation, a document that allows annotation, and they'll see a question here after completing your wandering map. What themes have you uncovered or revealed about your identity? And if they select the text feature, they just click into here and say, my wandering map showed leadership as a theme, and continue to elaborate on here's what they discovered from their wandering map. So they can type anywhere, they can add comments, they can change their text color. There's a lot of options that are quite fun and creative, but all we're looking for is really a text response. Listing and describing 5 or more themes. So I'm going to put here, again, I'm just clicking in, leadership. It might not be exactly lined up. Enjoy leading teams and developing others. So that's the annotations I've added there. Then once they've completed that, there is a third question. They'll just click submit right at the bottom. They didn't have to go out to Google. They didn't have to submit a link or have anything complicated. They just submit, and that's it. So that is the journal for the day. So let me go now out of student view and go to the instructor gradebook. And in gradebook, I'm going to see that test student submission for week 3 and jump into SpeedGrader. And SpeedGrader is going to open that document directly up, the annotated document. We'll see it right there immediately. There's the response. And on question 2, there's that response. And then you'll give the grade based on the rubric that will be available. So we're pretty excited about how this looks and how it's functioning, how much more simple it is, and we hope it will be enjoyed on the student side and as instructors for the grading side.